Hey there foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my secret recipe for ginger garlic paste that can stay fresh for up to 6 months in refrigerator and up to 2 months outside it. Trust me, this is the game changer in the kitchen. So this recipe is going to be my secret, and this way you can store it outside the refrigerator for about 2 months and inside the refrigerator for about 6 or 7 months. I'm also going to share you few tips and a few secret ingredients that you need to add while grinding the ginger garlic paste so that it does not get spoiled for up to many months. So first of all, here you can see I have approximately 500 grams of garlic and 500 grams of ginger, and I have peeled the garlic and ginger both, and I have washed both of them. And here you can see you need to drain out all the water before using. So here I have drained out all the water and the moisture after washing. Now you need to chop the ginger into the pieces as shown in the video. No need to chop the garlic as we are going to grind it, but you need to chop the gingers roughly. So here I'm going to chop it roughly. Need not to chop it very thin or very smooth. So here you can see I have chopped the ginger well, and I'm going to mix it using the hand. So again and again I'm stressing that you need not have the water into the grinding jar or in the garlic or the ginger. You can even sun dry it after washing it. The main ingredient now you need to add is salt. Add in whole 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil you can add in while grinding. So remember to not add any water while grinding. So grind it smooth. So here you can see the ginger garlic paste is just ready. As you have seen, we have added in the salt and the oil while grinding. These both will act as the preservative for our ginger garlic paste and prevent it from getting spoiled very early. The pro tip is that we have not added any water, and the moisture is also not present. These tips will help it to stay for longer time. So here you can see the ginger garlic paste is just ready. Store it in an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for about 6 months. This will go on. You can make in bulk and you can store this way. If you find this recipe interesting, do hit a like button. Also share it with your friends and family members. And for more such amazing tips and amazing recipes, do subscribe to my channel, and we'll meet you in the next recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.